Hi there, my name is Ashley Hughes, and I am your instructor this semester for Math 13 to 15, Math for Teachers 1. Just a little bit about me. I have been a math teacher in some form or fashion for the last 20 years. I've taught at the high school level, and I've also taught at Lonestar in person a long time ago, also at University Park and online. And I teach at another college that's out of state online as well. So I have a lot of experience teaching various math courses, but this is actually my first semester teaching this one. I taught part 2 last semester, so it kind of went backwards for me, but I'm excited to get to know each of you, and I just want to show you a little bit around the course. So let me share my screen with you. Um, so I usually divide up my courses by weeks. So if you come in and you click the content tab, normally when you pull up Math 1350, there will be announcements, which will post once the course starts. And then you're going to click the content tab. And on the left, you see various things, My Lab link, start here, syllabus, etc. So when you click start here, you can read about some tips for success, and I will post this welcome video below once I finish recording it. And then I just mainly want to talk you through how the course works. So you're going to click on whatever week it is. So for example, here's week 1, and it's going to say, welcome to week 1. Here's your discussion that you need to complete here. And then you're going to need to read or watch the video in section 1.1 and 1.2. And then after you do that, you're going to click this link here to do the homework, which is going to then launch my Pearson, my lab, and you're going to do the homework there and also complete this welcome post. I'm only going to have a few discussions. I'm thinking probably 3 throughout the course because I know sometimes that can become tedious in math courses to have to post discussions all the time, but I do want to get to know you guys. My email is always open. I do my best to respond to email within 24 hours. Make sure you put the course name and then say, hey, I'm having trouble on section 1.1, problem 10, or whatever it is, and I can get back to you with those specific types of questions. Let's see what else. I think we're going to have projects. There's a few projects. Let me go ahead and show you. I uploaded, if you see on this part where it says syllabus and the course outline, here it's kind of a little blurry. I'm going to do my best to make that a little bit clearer. But if you click the syllabus, this is also in the syllabus link, so you can click that right there and download it. My recommendation is to print that, to have it handy for yourself, and to make sure you know what's due each week. So each of the assignments are going to be due on Sunday night at 11:59 p.m. So you're going to essentially have about 2 sections per week, and then you're going to do both of those assignments by 11:59 on Sunday. So kind of pace yourself. And this is showing you the breakdown on that. You also have 4 projects. Those are the ones in blue. And then you have a midterm and a final. So your grade is going to be composed of projects, midterm, final, and then a little bit of discussion, and then a lot of the assignments. So back to week 1, where was I? No, actually, I'm going to jump down to week 3. That's where the project is. If you click here, project 1, it's talking about, you can click these to download, and this will explain the actual project and what you need to do. It's colored in spirals, and then you can cut and paste or just give me an example of each of these ones that you end up choosing to color in. There is a rubric that describes exactly how you're getting your points. You can see the rubric here. Oh, I don't think that's going to show you, but right here it's at 10 points for each of those problems, the even numbers, the 3 in numbers, square numbers, triangular numbers, pentagonal numbers. And your sequence is worth 20 and your reflection is worth 20, and 10 points for neatness and creativity. So all of the projects are going to be graded on a rubric. Will be quite easy for you to get a 100 as long as you do exactly what the rubric asks of you. So that's a little bit about me and about the course. I am now going to get started on recording those lectures. Normally those lectures are going to be posted right below. So like you'll have to click on the notes and then they will be embedded underneath section 1.1 and section 1.2. I just haven't recorded them yet. So welcome to Math for Teachers 1. Again, I am Professor Hughes. I'm excited you're in this course.